Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change server in the Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change server in Last Asylum Plague. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on your profile, where you will open your profile. There in the bottom you have record, account, settings and rank. You need to go and click on account and your account will open. Now here we have your account status and everything, what you can of course go and do. And here you need to go and click on character management. Select the other option out of these two. And here as you can see, you can tap create new character and choose a server you want to join and confirm. So you need to basically go and create a new character for this. Some important things to know: changing servers requires creating a new character. So basically that's what I already of course told you. And if you don't see the character management option, continue playing until you complete the early tutorial and unlock the main interface. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.